I can't wait to tote this bag. So guys, let's do this unboxing. I purchased a bag and I did get this from the boys at the fence, came from DHgate, and I will link the information for purchase below. One thing I want to do, guys, is give you guys a disclaimer. Please follow the link. There are several amazing vendors on DHgate, but there also are some that do not provide the best quality or shipping. So you are free to shop at your own leisure, but please know that if you do not follow the link and purchase from the vendor that I'm providing for you, you may not be happy. But guys, let's get into this bag. So this is a bag that I ordered to carry as a crossbody, and it is supposed to be very versatile. You can wear it casual or as something more elegant and dress it up. It is a Louis. It has the embroidered print on it, guys, and it is very spacious as far as being able to place your cell phone, makeup, lotion, hand sanitizers. It has compartments in it, guys, and look at the hardware and the straps that come with it. So this is what I mean when I say you can dress this up or you can dress it down. So for me, this would be my more casual strap, and I love the detailing and the wording on the strap. And then if you want to throw on a pair of heels and go out with this bag, look at this gold chain, guys. This was one of the things that I absolutely loved about this bag, the versatility and the fact that you can change it and dress it up or dress it down. The hardware was really nice. The embroider is nice on the bag. It also has the embroider in the inside, so you can see that piece there. The zipper actually slides and moves very well, guys. Look at the hardware on the corner there. You can see that it is very well made. It is expandable, and it did come with the little paper. A lot of you guys always ask about the authentication papers. You know, they sent out their papers, and it was very well packaged. So if you are looking for a bag that you can dress up or dress down, this is definitely a go-to. It comes in several colors, and you will see that when you view the link. So I just wanted to give you guys a clip of it with the hardware clipped on. I'm just gonna attach the actual gold strap for you to let you guys see and give you a sneak peek. It does clip on very easy, did not give me any trouble, and voila, guys, there it is. She is to die for. Absolutely gorgeous. So follow the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you. Bye.